Let me take you to Kakeda Hotel, one of the best butter chicken places in Gurgaon. I have been very honest with the restaurant reviews and I'm going to be honest with this one as well. We started off with the paneer malai tikka, which was very creamy in taste. It gets a 7 on 10. Then we had their dal makhni and butter chicken along with some tandoori roti and garlic naan. Both butter chicken and dal makhni were very creamy and balanced in flavors. Not too spicy, not too sweet. I will be posting a full review on my YouTube channel. So stay tuned and let's meet in next vlog.